Welcome to my channel. My name is Bob Jones, and today we're taking a journey through the historic neighborhood of Walkerville, Ontario. As we explore the Walkerville neighborhood, you'll notice a unique charm and character that sets it apart. The tree-lined streets, the well-preserved heritage homes, and friendly atmosphere make it a delightful place to stroll or soak in the history. Walkerville is a must-visit destination for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts alike, so let's dive right in. Our first stop is Willestead Manor, a stunning 36-room mansion nestled within a 15-acre park that was built between 1904 and 1906 by Edward Chandler Walker. This grand estate showcases the elegance and opulence of the era, with its intricate woodwork, beautiful gardens, and breathtaking interior. It's no wonder that Willestead Manor has become a popular venue for art in the park, weddings, and special events. Hiram Walker & Sons Distillery Limited was the business Walkerville was founded around. Hiram Walker built the town for employees, including housing, schools, and churches. The Windsor train station in Ontario is located next to Hiram Walker's. It is the western terminus of Via Rail's Quebec City to Windsor corridor. The station is served by Via Rail trains, and during the week it offers 8 train trips per day, with 4 originating in Windsor and 4 returning to Windsor from Toronto. Walkerville High School, a historic institution built in 1922. This beautiful building is a blend of Gothic and Tudor architectural styles. Many notable alumni have walked these halls, making it part of the neighborhood's heritage. Another notable landmark in Walkerville is Paul Martin's house. This historic residence was the childhood home of Paul Martin Sr., a former Prime Minister of Canada. The house has been preserved to reflect the time period when the Martin family lived here, offering visitors a glimpse into the life of one of Canada's political figures. That wraps up our tour of Old Walkerville, Ontario. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the rich history and architectural beauty of this charming neighborhood. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you in advance, as it really helps the channel. This is Bob Jones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.